You're weak. Next thing you know, you laid up in a hospital bed. Weak. You spoke that over you. You did that. The power of small changes. So small changes can have a massive impact over time. Instead of you trying to overhaul everything at once, focus on micro adjustments. For example, this would be if you wanted to lose weight. Instead of you waking up every morning with the mindset of I need to lose weight, I need to lose weight. Instead, you want to adjust your morning routine. So me personally, I do want to lose weight. So a goal of mine is to wake up a little earlier. I know I want to at least get 10K steps in. Also, I know I need to be exercising. So the micro adjustment for me is waking up early because I don't have the time in the day. That's been my excuse for the longest. So I'm starting to wake up a little earlier so I can go ahead and get that done. And it really is just as simple as that. So over time, with me waking up early and getting the exercises in, I will lose weight. It's just that simple, y'all. It doesn't require a ton of effort. You just have to have that willpower and motivation to do it. Moving on to key number 2, which is the importance of mindset. Rebranding your life begins with a shift in thinking. Your mindset shapes your reality. Here are a few things I want to touch on regarding the mindset, starting off with negative self-talk. So a few things that I see like on a day-to-day basis: I'm weak, I'm dead. You may make a mistake and do something crazy and now you're dumb. Like, oh my God, I'm so dumb. Like, how did I not know that? You are speaking those things over you, and your subconscious mind is picking up on it, is soaking it up. Okay? And so when you continue to speak those things over you, over your life, you become those things. There is power in the tongue, and affirmations do work. So the same way you guys see people get affirmations journals, they also are just saying things out loud. I am beautiful, I'm smart, I am, whatever. It works the same way when you say, I'm weak, I'm dead, I'm dumb. Same exact way. So y'all are speaking those things over you. Y'all are speaking those things into existence. So you need to shift your mindset. Okay? That's negative self-talk. And it's serving you no purpose. Okay? So you're weak. Next thing you know, you laid up in a hospital bed. Weak. You spoke that over you. You did that. So if you are one of those people, just try to work on that. Keep that in mind next time you want to comment that or send that out in text. You are speaking that over yourself, and that is a no. Another thing I want to talk about is just not your mindset, but the people around you. That's why it's always great to surround yourself with people that are like-minded like you. So, and another thing, keep your goals to yourself. Don't go around telling your goals, sharing it with people. I know you are excited for it's the new year, new year, new reset. Keep your goals to yourself. Just because you don't have those negative thoughts and you just know, you're going to achieve your goals, you're going to reach your goals, people around you may not have that same positive mindset as you. So keep those things to yourself. Not everyone wants to see you happy. Not everyone wants you to succeed. Some people don't want you doing better than them. So just keep your goals to yourself. You do not want people projecting their insecurities and their negativities onto your goals. So even though you may have a positive mindset around what you want to achieve in life, other people around you may not. And it works the same way as affirmation. If they're dwelling on something negative in their mind regarding you, so keep your goals to yourself. That's the best advice I could probably give you throughout this whole video. Keep your goals to yourself. In my situation, for instance, a goal of mine was to move to Dallas, Texas. Now, I went around, I'm happy. I'm telling people, oh my God, y'all, I'm thinking about moving to Dallas. It's one of the safest cities for young black women, blah, 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 blah. Thinking everybody would be like, okay, girl, even if they wasn't like that, it's just like, okay, all right, cool, good for you. But it was not like that, y'all. Told one person, 10 more people knew. So, and then it was just became such a big thing, something to talk about. Oh my gosh, she moved to Dallas. I guess it was something unfamiliar, something people wasn't really used to in my family, but a lot of people in my family just took it and ran with it, and it was like a big joke, like, oh my gosh, she wouldn't move to Dallas, and here I am, 2-3 years later, I'm not in Dallas, which is fine because, child, I don't know if y'all praying women, but I am, and God has better plans for me. and he has showed me, and I'm not going to share it. I'm not going to even speak on it right now. But anyway, it is something better for me. Anyway, so I just wanted to share that. There was just an example of what I went through. It just became like one big joke. Like, oh my God, it's laughable now, but do not go and tell y'all, do not go and tell y'all goals, y'all dreams to nobody. Keep that to yourself. Okay. You and your vision board. Moving on to the third key, which is progress over perfection. Perfectionism can be paralyzing and can lead to burnout and procrastination. Now, if you are a perfectionist, you know exactly what I'm talking about, because I am a perfectionist. I am trying, this is a goal of mine. Not this year, because it hasn't done anything but held me back. But for example, with this YouTube channel, I don't even want to I don't even want to talk about it. But y'all, this is like my fifth channel. I'm not even lying. It's like my fifth channel. It's just because I be wanting things to be so perfect. Perfect lighting, perfect camera, perfect equipment. I need an iPad. I need this. I need. And then I realized one day, like, what are you waiting for? You was talking about you needed a camera. You got a camera. You needed lighting. Your camera don't even require all those lights. You got an iPad. What you waiting for? So I decided to go ahead and start this new channel. So hey y'all, start this new channel and go ahead and make my dream a reality, basically. So that's what I'm doing here now. I just kept making excuses for myself. And it's like, when my video didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out, oh my God, I need better lighting. I need this. I need that. I can't film when it's raining because my lighting's messed up. I need the sunlight. Just making excuses. So perfectionism for me, I know some people can probably, be successful and thrive, being a perfectionist, but it's not for me. I don't do anything but make excuses for myself and don't get anything done. So that's one of the things I have realized, and I am changing this year in 2025. And if you are a perfectionist, I just want to let you know that you need to embrace your imperfections and learn from them. But don't just stop. Don't stop. Don't get discouraged. Keep going. Just roll with the punches and keep going. That's life. If you are a perfectionist and you feel like something is holding you back, don't let it. Just start. Just go. Do it. It doesn't have to be the best. Just do it. Just start. And that brings me to key number 4, which is commitment to consistency over time. Rebranding your life doesn't happen overnight. It's a long-term commitment. And consistency is the key to a lasting change. It is hard to stay consistent, but if you guys have the right mentality and you are motivated, I'm not talking about bursts of motivations where you feel, oh, it's a new year, a new month, a new week even. Let me try to get my life together. Let me try to get myself together. But no, I'm talking about literally being motivated to show up every single day. You have to have that mindset to do that. For me in the past, I felt like I had the mindset. I felt like I was motivated. I felt like, it's my time to do this. But also, I'm not writing anything down. I don't have to-do lists. I don't have, goals set for today. I'm just going off of things that are in my head, disorganized. That's not going to work, y'all. That's not going to work. Get y'all some to-do list, Canva, free. And I'll show you guys what I did. I have free to-do list templates for Canva that I have completely customized and adjusted to me and my schedule. That has helped tremendously. I even wrote out a whole morning routine. So for me, I needed this. I needed a list where it says wake up, wake up, 5 a.m. wake up, oral routine, hygiene routine. I have all the steps of my morning routine written down, because if I don't, everything gets so jumbled up in my head, I would skip a step. For me, I wanted to start gua sha, which is like a facial massage. I would always skip that step in my skincare routine. Why? So I know for me personally, I need to write stuff down. I have to literally specify all these little tiny steps of my day. And if I don't, it won't get done. To me, it's not a challenge, but it's kind of like a game. It's fun to me to get up and follow my list. Ooh, okay, I've done this today. Let me check that off. So I have a whole morning routine check off list. I needed that. And I also have at the bottom of that list, I have refer to do planner. So I have another to-do list planner for all of the goals that I need to achieve for the day. If I didn't have that, I would be disorganized and I won't get anything done because it'll be in my head. Time to get away from me. If you guys know y'all need to be more organized, go ahead and get some templates from Canva. They're completely free. Get a to-do list checkoff planner. Get a fitness planner. It's so many trackers and planners that you can just download for free and just have them on your device and check them off throughout the day. As simple as that. To stay committed to consistency, you need to start creating micro habits, small little steps throughout your day to reach your bigger goal. And I will be talking about micro habits in my next video if you guys want to check it out. But let's move on to the last and final key, which is accountability. Accountability isn't about perfection. It's about showing up consistently and being honest with yourself of who you want to be and where you want to go in life. When you track your progress, you create a visual reminder of how far you come and where you want to go. Now, tracking my progress is easy, y'all, because like I said, I have a checklist, a to-do list that I check off throughout the morning and evening. So if that is something you're interested in, again, they have free templates on Canva. Also, you could just get a notebook or a journal and just write down some of your daily, weekly, or even monthly goals in. Also, Etsy, y'all, $2 planners, $2 good notes templates, if you guys are interested in that as well. Transformation is a process, and it's okay to take things step by step. Growth is linear, and it's okay to have setbacks, y'all. That is life. The key is just to keep going. Do not stop. Just keep going. Success comes from the small steps that you take every single day. The journey starts with habit and routine. Let's jump into some micro habits that will change your life in 2025 in this video.